Today in the Gospel, Jesus teaches us about one of the commandments, and you might say he drills down, as he would certainly be able to do with all 10 of the commandments, but one that affects all of us. And it's not the most obvious way. Thou shalt not kill. We know that commandment. And I dare say I can't suspect of anyone in our church today, and so many people who've actually killed someone, taken the life of someone else. But you and I know, as Jesus points out, in our relationships, there often is someone or number of people where the relationship we have with them has been hurting, perhaps damaged, and maybe fractured beyond repair. For example, many of us, just in terms of family or extended family, have someone where something happened. Somebody said something, somebody didn't get done. It was a misunderstanding, but instead of letting it go by, it got worse. There's almost like a little gap or a chasm. And you and I know what it's like when somebody's not wanting to talk to us, as if we've done something, or we're tempted not to want to talk to somebody about something they did. And where Jesus is pointing out today, if we let that kind of experience happen, it can widen what's happening between each other. It can hurt our relationship to the point we don't want to be around each other. It's as if we don't have a relationship. What Jesus is teaching us today is the Father wants us always to come back, obviously to Him, but also to others. Not just to please others, say everything's just fine, as if they're not, but the best they can be with you and me, the ones who initiate that. No, we haven't killed anyone, but have we been part of an experience? And we might say, well, that other person did that, and perhaps it is the case. But what are we doing? What is God inviting of you and me as we listen to this gospel today? Which relationship is it? Who is the person where perhaps some type of reconciling needs to be done? And it might not be dramatic, but it might be just real simple, starting again. And maybe it won't be received well, but nonetheless, what Jesus is showing us is you have to take that initiative if you want to bring your gift to the altar. If you really want to be at peace, you try to help. If you're not able to do it, how else? Can we be praying for that person? Can we bring it up in some way with someone else? Because that's what God desires. He desires an effort to begin again, to reconcile, to be at peace, not only with Him, but with one another.